Today we are starting with accessory sex glands. Accessory sex glands are of many types. In male, a pair of seminal vesicle, prostate gland, a pair of corpus gland or bulbourethral gland. We will start with seminal vesicle. They are elongated, coiled sacs. They are located near the base of the bladder. Their duct join the vasa deferentia to form ejaculatory duct. The secretion of seminal vesicle contain sperm activating substances such as fructose, citrates, several protein, etc. Fructose provide energy to the sperm for swimming. Prostate gland. The prostate gland surround the first portion of the urethra. The prostate gland is of the size of golf ball and spongy in texture. It is a collection of 30 to 40 glands from which release of prostatic fluid is there. This fluid is thin, milky, slightly acidic, contributes 50 to 30% of the volume of semen. Semen is a fluid in which sperm floats. Corpus or bulbourethral gland. These glands are located about 5 cm below the prostate gland. They are about the size of pea seed. They open into urethra. They are also secreting glands. Semen. The product of testes or sperm and prostate gland along with the fluid from the seminal vesicle is known as semen. The semen has a pH of 7.35 to 7.5. Now we are starting with disorders of male reproductive system. Benign prostatic hypertrophy, that is BPH. This is the enlargement of prostate gland. It occurs at old age. The enlarged glands may block the urethra, causing frequent night urination or difficulty or painful micturition. Micturition means release of urine. Prostate cancer is very common in men. Treatment, surgery or drugs. Number 2, sterility. In this case, sperm is not able to fertilize the ova. Now we are starting with female reproductive system. Now let us study about the diagram, then we will go ahead. It is a female reproductive system. As you can see, this is the uterus. Uterus has 3 layers: perimetrium, outer layer, myometrium, middle layer, endometrium, inner layer of the uterus, where embryo implants. This is uterine cavity, means cavity of uterus where baby grows. This is uterine fundus. Upper part of the uterus, that is uterine fundus. This is fallopian tube. It is divided into 3 parts, that is isthmus, ampulla, infundibulum, fimbriae. As you can see, this is ovary. From ovary, release of ova is there. Ova moves here. From isthmus, it moves, and here fertilization takes place at the fimbriae. Now this is the cervix, mouth of the uterus, that is cervical canal, and this is vaginal portion. Now we are starting female reproductive system. It consists of a pair of ovaries. As you can see the diagram, this is a pair of ovary, a pair of fallopian tube. This is fallopian tube, oviduct. This is oviduct. This one, this is oviduct. This one, duct. This is oviduct. Then uterus, as I told you, this is uterus. Then vagina. This is outer portion, outer genital organ of the female, that is vagina. Then an external genital organ. Vagina opens externally into genital organ. Accessory genital glands, as we studied in the male also, and mammary glands. We are starting with ovary. They are primary sex organ of the female. The ovaries are almond-shaped bodies. They lie in the lower part of the abdomen. Each ovary is being suspended from the dorsal wall just behind the kidney by a fold of peritoneum, that is mesovarium. Each ovary is connected by an ovarian ligament to the uterus by suspended ligament. Through this attachment, many blood vessels enter or emerge from the ovary. Each ovary is compact or solid organ and consists of an outer cortex and inner medulla. Although these two regions appear to contain distinct structure, but there is no demarcation line between them in the mature ovary. In mature ovary, the cortex contains follicle and corpora lutea in various stages of differentiation. The medulla contains only large blood vessels of the organ. Each ovary is composed of stroma of fibrous connective tissue. The stroma contains spindle-shaped cells. A poor dense connective tissue layer known as tunica albuginea covers the cortex. It gives a whitish color to the ovary. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending its PDF. Thank you.